Hi, I'm James in the lab. Now that being said, this is actually about S&T Geotronics. More specifically, our Open Antikythera Kickstarter. If you've supported our Open Antikythera Kickstarter, thank you. We're beginning to ship the UpFront kits and the UpFronts proper that we've made. And if you're getting a kit, you should be getting a white box like this, which will contain your kit. So you open it up, and what you can expect is, the first thing of importance is a list of materials. Now, I would go through this list and make for certain that you have all the materials on the list. 49 3D printed items, 34 laser cut items, 7 laser cut needles. Oh my gosh, that's a big little bunch of stuff. So first of all, we're going to open up our kit and we'll see our plate assemblies, which are part of the 34 laser cut items more than likely. Oh, 4 laser cut plates and skins, I'm sorry. So on front's your skin, and here's all your plates inside, all nice and neatly wrapped up. Leave them alone, because the more you handle them, the more fingerprints and stuff you're going to get on them. They're all in their nice plastic and safe right now. And then we'll open the box up some more, and you can see the accessories compartment that has your 7 laser cut needles and all of your brass axles. And this, well, there's screws and bearings. And here's your laser cut axles, all with their label where you can figure out which ones they are when they're called for. And while you could open them all up right now, chances are that one of them would get lost or misplaced or mixed up with another one, as they're all labeled with what they are, and we'll get on with that later on. And a thank you for your support. Oh look, Mark included a keychain. Ain't that special? And then we have our spacers. These are the spacers that'll hold the plates apart and standoffs, yeah. And then you have some more axle dowels and some crank gears and 3D printed parts and the moon hub and some spacers. And it's in a Ziploc bag. At least this one is, and that way you can open it and get one out what you need. So let's set all this stuff aside. There's a pair of cotton white gloves. These are for handling your front plates when you get to it. That way you don't get fingerprints on them. And then you pull the box apart some more and take some more packing out. And then you get this compartment here has the wood for those of you that ordered the wood sides. And then you have all of your laser cut gears and some more 3D printed parts. You have the axles, the concentric axles for your rotating assembly. These are actually what the needles are going to go on, and these are what drive the pointers. And the date plate, and on this side the date plate is in the middle. On this side you have inferior planet axles, and on this side you have superior planet axles. That's one way to remember it, is the superior planets are on the big fat axles, the date plate's in the middle, and the inferior planet axles are the smaller ones, but longer. Anyways, of course they won't all fit in there like that. That's why they were shipped like this. But inspect that you have all these pieces, and take them out and count them, and inspect your gears to make sure all your teeth are clean. We'll get more on that later.